Hey friends, we are here to do our monthly sinking fund totals for the month of May. We're gonna see how much I was able to save and add to or spend from our sinking funds, and we're gonna jump right in. This is my bright undated budget planner. This is available, linked below. It's on Amazon, shipped right to you. In my description box, it is directly linked along with my other planners, but if you like this spiral bound version, this one's available in my Etsy shop. And we are going over here to June. No, I said that wrong, May. So let's see. We're gonna do May of 2025. This is an undated planner, so you can start this at any time in the year. The months are labeled, but there's no year. So the calendar is blank. You know, you could do this February of 2025 or February of 2036. It doesn't matter because it's undated. So what I did was I already transferred all of my totals from last month. So my starting balance for this month is actually my ending balance for last month. And then I'm going to take the totals now, and that's going to be my ending balance for this month, and then we're going to determine the difference. Before we do that, I do have one finished savings challenge to go ahead and stuff. I was going to wait until my cash stuffing, but you know, this is money that I saved in May, so I'm going to add it in so that the totals are a little more accurate. This is $25 for medical that I saved with my monthly savings challenges. If you know, that's something a little bit newer that I've been doing, is just putting $25 extra a month into a challenge, one challenge per month. I let my randomizer choose it, and I just put a little extra money in there because extra money never hurts. So 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, $25 going in. So let me update my tracker really quick, and then we'll count it up, and then we'll just start with this binder. Happy June. I hope you're doing well. I can't believe it's June. I hope you had a good Memorial Day and all the things. I always forget because I pre-film. I always forget to say like happy whatever holiday is coming up. And so the video that actually airs on that holiday, I never even end up saying anything about it. And I just always forget to mention it because I pre-film. But I hope you had a good Memorial Day. That was last Monday, I believe. And I hope you're having a good day today. So in medical, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 81, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 189. Okay, so let me switch some things around here. 189 in medical. And we did have 94, so that's good. There's an increase there. 189 minus 94, which means, wow, we added 95 bucks in here. That's awesome. I'm expecting an increase in most of these because it was a magic month and I was able to add a lot of money into my binders. So hopefully we come out on the positive here. Taxes, we had $339. We now have 5, 6, 20, 35, 6, 7, 8, 9, 639. So that's plus 300, which is great. This money does need to come out here in like a week or two, I guess like a week and a half. I do need to pay the next quarterly payment for taxes, so that will all go away. Amazon, let's see, we started with 70. And we now have 50, 100, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 120. So what's that? 50 plus 50. Excellent. Love to see it. Love to see those pluses. Beauty. Let's see. We had 85 here in beauty. We now have 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 45, 145. So we added 60. Let me know how you guys are. I am finally preparing to do another Etsy launch. It has been so long. And I have a new game. I have some new scratch offs, some cutouts, and probably even a new savings challenge book. So I'm super excited about that. Look for that within the next couple weeks. I may try to come up with a couple other things to release with that, and so I need time for that, but I also need time to make all of the new items so that I can show you. But yes, new Etsy items will be coming. I'm super excited. By the way, there also is an Etsy sale on the shop right now. I just threw a little sale on just because. I think I only am running it for a week, so if you're interested in grabbing anything, go ahead and check that out. Okay, vacation, we had $353. We now have $550, $75, $575, $76, $7, $8, $9. $579. And I'm not even going to try to do that math. 579 minus 353, so that's plus 226. Nice. I told you guys, my husband and I really want to book another cruise. We really do. I've been like researching cruises because we kind of want to try something new. And I'm really wanting to try Virgin Voyages. It's adults only, and it's just like a completely different cruising experience. So I don't know if it's going to happen, but if it does, we'll probably go with Virgin, and I'm very excited. Okay, subscriptions, we had 0. We now have $100 in here, so that is good. Plus 100. I am very curious to see what's going to happen in June as far as the budget, because again, May was a magic month, so these pluses aren't typical. But I am going to try my best to still add a decent amount to the sinking funds and finish some challenges and things like that. So emergency, we had 328. We now have 400, 450, 75, 76, 77, 78, 478. So 150, right? 150. Yes. Love that. And then I think that's it because I don't stuff debt. We already did medical. Yes. Okay. So one binder down, one to go. Okay. This is more like my cash binder. For the most part, all of these funds are in cash. So for Penelope, we started off with 148. We now have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 30, 45, 50, 5, 65, 66, 366. Yes, love that. Obviously, you can never have too much saved for a pet. Because they're expensive, and even if nothing happens with them, they're still expensive as far as even just annual vet visits, you know, their flea and tick medicine and all that stuff. So I love to see her fund stacking up a little bit. Okay, car maintenance, we had 99. See what we have in here now. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 85, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 199. One of these days, I will pull a random dollar to even that out. But today is not that day. Oh, you know what I should have done? I should have pulled a dollar from that finished savings challenge that we stuffed for medical. But, oh well. Okay, holidays, we had $30. We now have 20, 40, and 50. So $50 in here. That's plus 20. And we are almost finished, and then we're going to go ahead and add everything up. Do you like to total up your sinking funds at the end of every month? It's something I like to do just to kind of give me an idea of what I have in my sinking funds. Maybe you know, I see a fund that's low, I might want to stuff that a little more the following month. And yeah, it just gives me motivation to try and stuff these even more and get the money to be stacked up. Groceries, we had 30, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90. So we have 90 in here, plus 60. And then birthdays, let's see. I know this money's gonna come out soon, like I said, for Father's Day. It says birthdays, but it's really birthdays / gifts. I just use this for gifting. Father's Day could also come out of holidays because that's a holiday. So, you know, there's some leeway there, but I'll probably just take it out of here. So birthdays, we had 169. We now have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 25, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. 239 in here. So 239 minus 169 plus 70. So we have all increases. If we have a plus in kids, this might be literally the first time ever that it's all increases over here, which is amazing. So let's check kids. Let's see, we started with 77. And we now have 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Perfect. All pluses. I love that so much for me. Plus 40 there in kids. Yes. This is the best sinking funds count up ever. Okay. So I'm going to put the binder away, and here's what I'm going to do. I am going to total up my ending balance. I'll come back. I'll show you guys what that is, and then we'll figure out the difference. So I will be right back. Okay, so the total of all the sinking funds is $33.11, which is amazing. Last month we ended with $18.22. We now have $33.11. That's over $1,000 increase. What? That's amazing. So if we take $33.11 minus $18.22, we get $14.89, which means we added almost $1,500 into our sinking funds. So now what I'm going to do is add up this difference column, and this should equal $14.89 unless my math wasn't mathing. So I'm going to add that up just to double check that everything jives, and I'll be right back. Yes, yes, and more yes. $14.89 we were able to add in our sinking funds in 1 month. Oh my goodness, I am so happy with that. That was unexpected, but in the best way. So that is how I kind of take a little inventory, I guess you could say, of my sinking funds every single month. I have this page in the planner specifically for the sinking funds totals every single month, and I absolutely love doing this. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching till the end and sticking with me. I am so grateful that you are here. Of course, if you have any questions, absolutely let me know in the comments below. I'd be more than happy to answer them. I hope you have an absolutely wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!